So if you want something like this, make sure not to click away, and I'm gonna teach you how to put a status with a picture and app details instead of the app without, without using PC. It's just gonna be on your phone, Android. If you want to set your custom status on Discord, you are gonna get some few recommendations on how to do it. But the problem with this videos is that you have to use the browser called Yandex, and Yandex is a browser that if while you're playing, while you're doing any apps or something, the Android will probably close the browser and your status will disappear. So we need something that stays. So I decided to make this video. Okay, so we need something simple. Like for example, we're just gonna type RPC, and we're gonna type first the game name, and we're gonna type the app details, and we're gonna type the state of the app. I'm gonna go to the Discord, and we're gonna check the status over there. Got this. See, the problem with those is they don't show the picture. It's kind of ugly for me to use that, so I need something simple, something that would stay even on the background, because Termux is there. This is the one setting the status. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to use this. Alright, so I uninstalled my Termux, so we're gonna start from scratch, and the only thing we need right now is a Chrome, obviously Chrome, and Discord, and a place. So let's start first from, we're gonna download Termux. And we're gonna install that. So basically we're gonna start from scratch without anything prepared, so you can follow along. Alright, we installed Termux. So after we installed Termux, we're gonna download is the app called Files. So material files. So this one, it's by Zhao. So I already installed this one. So I'm just gonna go here and put the files. I'm gonna go here and drag this and put it on the home. Okay, so we have like 5 files now. So first we're gonna go to the Chrome. So we're gonna enter the link that I was in the description. This is a AdFly link. So this gives me money for advertising the link. So we're just gonna enter that. So yep. So right now I want you to allow, so it will pop up. So it will pop up a new one. So just go back there and just skip that, and it's gonna pop up again. Just go back and try to skip again. And now it opened the Play Store. I'm just gonna go back, click back. Just skip. Going back. What was happening? Oh, okay. I did that wrong. I'm just gonna click that, and it's gonna ask you to allow. I'm just gonna wait for it. Alright, this said notifications blocked, so you're just gonna allow the site, and it should probably redirect you to the link. Yeah, it's redirecting right now. So all you had to do was like skip one. It will show like this. That's not the real. Go back and skip once, and it will show you this. Will show you this, and it will ask you to allow the notifications, and it will turn out like this. So this is the link that we want, the release.py on the top. Look at that. That's the file we want. So we're just gonna download that. Yep, that's the file, right? And we're gonna put it into down. So this is internal storage. SD card. This is the SD card. So we're gonna put downloads and download it. So the thing is, when you allow the notifications, is you get from this spams. So the way to fix this is you have to go to settings. And disable the Norma Base Pro, which we granted the notification, so it won't spam anymore. So you do this after you got this link, because you know it won't let you go to this link if it won't let you go to this link if you block it first. Okay, you have to allow it, go to the link, and then block it again. Okay, so it's gonna be stored on our download folder, right? So we're gonna go to the files, and we're gonna get stored in here, internal storage, and so it's here. So we're gonna put it on the internal storage. So I already move it here to this. I have to release that file. Okay, so we're not gonna do that because I already have it here. Anyways, we're gonna go back to Termux after you move the release by to the internal storage, and it will start. Okay, so what you to do is type Termux set storage. So just to remind, you need to allow it. Okay, so just to remind you, the setup takes like around 15 to 10 minutes, and after that using it will take you like 30 seconds. It's much more convenient than using the Yandex browser method. Okay, so first I want you to wait, let's see. Get upgrade. Yeah, so you have to do first the get upgrade, and click Y and enter. So you have to enter app dash get that space upgrade and click enter. It will ask you to say yes or no. Just press Y and enter. You only had to enter a few commands and just wait. So just follow my steps. Okay, I will post the procedure below. So you just say Y to everything when it asks. So after it's done, it's gonna show a $sign again. I'm just gonna install again the Python package pkg install Python 3. See, it will say okay. So you need 281 megabytes additional space for Python, and that's literally it. You install, yes. Okay, after you get the dollar sign again, which means it's done. I wonder if I can paste. Yeah, so just enter that, and it will download. Alright, so I think we're done here. So what we're gonna do is you type ls, and probably you're gonna see storage, so we're just gonna cd storage, and we're gonna type ls again. So we're gonna type cd shared, and we're gonna type ls again. So this this is my internal storage now. So as you can see, you can see the release.py that I copied in the internal storage. See that? So that's it. So we're just gonna edit this release.py. Okay. So first, alright, wait. I think I already edited mine and I renamed it into test.py. I think that was it. Let me just check. I think it was test.py. Let me check. Okay, so number 9. So we're gonna edit the release that you downloaded. We need a editor. Any text editor is good, but I prefer this app called QuickEdit. You can download this on Play Store too, or you can just use anything. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is don't touch the bottom. Okay, you're just gonna edit this here. So you put your token here. Let's see. Things you might ask is, how do you get the token? So the token is like the password of your Discord account. So it's really hard to get. There are 2 methods. So the first method is you need root, and you don't need a PC for that. And the second method is you need a PC. So either which, this is a one time you only need to do this one time, and you copy the token, and that's it. So for the root, the first method, we're gonna go to else. If you have root, this is the first method. I'll share out the second method later. You go to data, make sure you have root, okay, and you find Discord, com.discord, I think that was it. Yeah, they're here, com.discord, and you go to the shared preference. Discord preference, let's check. Discord preference, after you go to the Discord preferences, you open it with an editor. You're gonna see something like store a authenticated token, and that one, you need to copy what's inside of that one. You need to copy what's inside of the stored authenticated token and copy that. It's gonna look like a rumbled letters, so copy that. Don't share it with anyone, so you can use it for you can use it to enter on the script. Okay, so just copy that for the future references too. And other than that, you don't need anything. So on PC, okay, I'm gonna teach you how to do it on PC. Okay, so this is how you do it on PC. I'm sorry, my camera is shaking because I've been recording. So you press Control Shift I, as in internal storage I, Control Shift I, and it will show you something like this. And usually it would lead you on. Wait, that's not it. It's not what it will lead you. It's usually on here, elements, and you just need to click that line in application and go to the local storage, which is already clicked, and to that https discord.com, and after that you filter, type token, and you should have your token right there. So the token looks like that with the what do you call that, apostrophe. So when you enter the code, you leave out the apostrophe. Okay, you erase the apostrophe on both ends. So that's it. It will something like that. It will look something like that on your token. I don't know. Yeah, it's like a scrambled words. So don't worry, this doesn't steal your token, as this just need your token to log into. Okay, you can check the commands to see if you think this compromises your account, but it really doesn't. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just put the token and put an apostrophe. Just surround it with an apostrophe, something like that. And for the app ID, you need the app ID. You need to create something. Okay? Create a new tab, and we're gonna type bot developer. Discord. So the first thing that will pop up is this one, Discord developer portal. We're gonna click that, but you have to sign in on this one using your Discord account that you want to use. And since I already did it, see my profile there, I already log into this, so this is what makes it easier. But if you haven't, you can just sign in. So you're just gonna go to the applications, and let's see, let's create an. I already created like a bunch of stuff. Okay, so you're just gonna click new application. Let's switch to desktop. Oh, there we go. So we're just gonna type a name. So I type a name. That's a pun. Okay. I'm just gonna click create, and it will load. It can ask you some details. So yeah, this should be good. It's probably stored right now. So this is what you want to copy, the application ID. Okay. And just copy that, or just click this, copy, and it will automatically paste when you paste. So this one, I want you to upload a picture here, the app icon, this, and after that you can just leave instantly. Okay, so we're just gonna select an image. I have a memes. So let's see, I'm just gonna upload this one. Okay, after that I think it's done. Wait, do I need to save this? Yeah, you have to save changes. I think you have to try to exit before you leave it. And we'll see, I will say all your edits have been carefully recorded. So you can go back to the applications. You have to verify that your app is still there. See, the app. And you're gonna go back here and paste. So that's the app ID that we want. So that's literally it. You just make sure that there are spaces between the equals. Okay, and same with the token over here. More importantly, don't mistype on everything, because one mistype, if you type something right here like a dot or whatever, it's not gonna work. So you have to be careful. And we're gonna run this, okay? So we just type Python 3 final test. For you it's gonna be this one, release.py, because that's the file name I gave to you. So this is mine, just for example. So I'm just gonna run that, and it will ask you to enter the name. Just wanted to. This is an example of. So it's gonna tell you the app details, instead of the app, which is cool. Whatever, I just added anything I want. So you're gonna say updated the script presence. It's gonna tell you your whatever that number is. So if you look into Discord, you're gonna see the so this is the picture of the app ID I used. So not the one with the recreated the a name app. Okay. So if ever we want to use this a name, we just copy the application ID of this one and erase that and paste. After we paste the app ID, we're just gonna save. So what's going to happen is it's gonna change the picture to this one. So the way to exit this is to just press Control. Make sure to bring up the keyboard first. Control. Tap this. It will go blue, and just C. Then enter. Okay, so we're gonna type that again. We're gonna list the files. So the one we edited was final test.py, so we're gonna enter that again. Python 3 final test.py. So we're gonna type it again. Another picture. I'm mistyping. of something good. So yeah, see, so it's loading right now. So look at the picture. So you only, if you want to change the picture of this, just create a new app and copy the ID of that one and upload the picture and save that. Well, you're just gonna make it like this to make it easier. Let's see, let's close this first. And enable Termux. Okay, first things you're gonna type is alias, then the next is you're gonna type the command that you want. Like, let's see, this is command, anything you want. And after that, you put an equal sign and apostrophe. And next is you're gonna type the command of the what we added lately. So it's gonna be Python 3 storage Python 3 storage shared and final test .py. For you it's gonna be release.py because that's what I name on the demo. So it's gonna look like this for you. Release.py, something like that. But for me it's final test because that's what I named it. It's gonna look like that and enter. So every time we try to change our Discord presence, now we have to type this. This is a command and just enter because we don't want to have to type this anymore. So it asks for that thing. So type anything and it's gonna continue. As I've said, if you want to exit it, just Control C and it's gone. So if you want to set your Discord presence again, just type it. This is a command. This is a command. It's a wrong grammar, but yeah, it works. So yeah, it's asking for the app name. So that's how you do it. So for this alias, so this alias will appear when when you close it. This. So if I go and type this command, it's not gonna work. You have to type again. So make sure you don't close the Termux. Okay. Other than that, if you want this to be permanent, if you want the alias to be permanent, you need root. And just comment down below. I'm not gonna cover this because it needs root. I hope you enjoyed this script. Please subscribe if you want. And also don't tell anyone don't tell people that you are self-botting, okay? That's literally dumb. Anyways, thanks for watching.
"まるで当たり